美国总统拜登昨日表示，已经参当选的前总统川普通电话，而且向川普保证会和平、秩序甲政权转移。
美国总统拜登在川普当选了第一遍在镜头前发表全国演讲。
Yesterday, I spoke with President-elect Trump to congratulate him on his victory, and I assured him that I'd direct my entire administration to work with his team to ensure a peaceful and orderly transition. That's what the American people deserve.
拜登讲，失败是加减的，要我若放弃就袂当原谅。这边的失败无代表真正失败，伊也懊恼副总统贺锦丽在这边选举过程的表现。
No matter who you voted for, you see each other not as adversaries, but as fellow Americans. Bring down the temperature. We accept the choice the country made. I've said many times, you can't love your country only when you win.
拜登希望大家对美国选举制度无共意见先放一边，因为这个制度是诚实、公平加透明的，而且伊也邀请川普参加白宫椭圆形办公室会议，代表着和平转移政权的一部分。川普竞选团队发言人史蒂文章发表声明，讲川普正期待这边的会议，并且讲川普正感谢拜登的这通电话，正是因在6个辩论会了第一遍见面。拜登的任期是到明年1月20，所以来也去参加在巴西举行的 G20 20国集团峰会，也讲伫咧秘鲁举行的 APEC 亚太经济合作会议。公司新闻吴文明报道。